and welcome back, my vet fam. In this video, I'm going to go over why maintaining your health is important. I know, you're probably saying to yourself, I'm not doing one more push-up, one more sit-up, or ever run it again in my life. Well, to tell you the truth, that's probably the worst thing you can ever possibly do for yourself. You don't have to do the dumb shit like you were in and have to go and listen to your leadership because they didn't know any better. So sit back and relax. I'm going to go over the benefit of regular exercise and why it'll help you in your academic journey. Don't go anywhere. Why is maintaining your health important? If you're healthier, you'll have less trips to the VA, and a fit vet is a healthy vet. And that means you'll go to the VA less. I hate going to the VA just as much as anyone else. Just the stress that place causes within us is something that doesn't need to happen. You also need to buy less clothes. Some of us got out and decided we're not going to do anything physical for anything in nature ever again. Probably should reconsider that. I completely understand, but that's the wrong way to go. You'll get more ailments and issues with your body the lazier you become. Your body was made to move. It was not made to do nothing all day long. So keeping up with your health also keeps up with your brain in quite a few ways. I'll explain this more in slides later on in the presentation. Maintaining your health awareness means spending less money on junk food and drinks, which means more money for later on the fun things that you want to do. And not to mention, the campus gym is free too, so at least that's one item you won't have to worry about paying for. There are all kinds of other benefits for regular and consistent exercise. It helps lower your blood pressure and cholesterol. It also makes you smarter. I have a slide on this in a minute. If you have poor eating habits, then it'll help maintain your weight. Hope you're at least not eating like a glutton and treating your body like an asshole. Hope at least you're getting some fruit or vegetables in there somewhere. There are easy grab-to-go fruit bowls and snack veggie packs at your local supermarket. Another benefit of exercise is lowering your risk of disease. Your body actually helps produce more helpful enzymes and proteins to make your body more resilient to disease and some cancers. Pretty cool, huh? By working your body's aerobic and anaerobic capacity, you'll help with reducing your levels of fatigue and maintain your focus longer. Maintaining a good routine will help raise your endorphins and make you a happier person. I'll go over that more in a little bit. Exercise will also help you sleep better. You'll use up more of that pent-up energy from sitting on your butt all day when you're studying as an added bonus. I'll put the link in this article in the description below. It's from harvardhealth.edu, so at least you know it's from a reputable source. In this article, it goes over the benefit of regular exercise and how it helps improve your brain's memory and thinking skills. As I mentioned before, regular exercise helps out the brain, not just the body. So read the article for yourself and learn from Harvard. Another good article I found on harvardhealth.edu is how exercise reduces stress. We all have stress and have to find a way to manage it. Some ways are good, like working out and running regularly, and others, like excessive drinking, simply are not. Every vet goes to the VA and sets up a mental health appointment at some point or another. That's to say if you didn't get out and have PTSD already. Sucks, I'm sorry. Even if you do have PTSD, exercising and maintaining your fitness will help raise your spirits. I guarantee it. It's the one thing you can do without any negative side effects like most medications have. Even over-the-counter meds have side effects. Hope you got some good value from this information. Please consider an exercise routine and stick with it throughout your time in school. It'll help you in more ways than I explained here. So my question to you, what helps you maintain your health during school? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. It could benefit somebody else, so please share. Smash that like to help my channel gain some popularity, and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.